The summer solstice, also known as夏至, meaning the most hours of daylight, stands out as a remarkable day. On this day, daylight in the northern hemisphere is the longest of the year. It also signifies the culmination of the first half of the year and the dawn of the latter half. It is infused with intense warmth and vitality. Every living being in nature has reasons to be proud and joyful. Among all solar events, none rival the summer solstice in its capacity to evoke relaxation and enrichment. Irrespective of past experiences, when the day dawns, abundance and passion, cheer and high spirits burst forth without restraint. It heralds a time of prosperity. Life must bloom to its fullest at certain moments, even if a little willful. Dreams may be realized unexpectedly through unforeseen opportunities. Even if joy arrives late, it is still joy. However, the uniqueness of summer solstice extends far beyond this. From today on, days gradually shorten and nights lengthen, allowing all things in nature to savor the passage of time and the transience of existence in the sunrise and sunset. May the companionship endure, or even better, may the present love be cherished deeply.